So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a chart here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a document. Once that is done, go to the top left in between Home and Draw. There is an Insert button. Press on that. Then once you're on the Insert tab, go right to where it says Chart right here. So right in between for me, it says Smart Art and Screenshot. There's a chart option right here. And then there's a little bit of an arrow. Press on the arrow right here to get a drop down. Now what you can actually do now is select the chart of your choosing. So what you can actually do is select a column chart, a line chart, a pie chart, hierarchy chart, whatever the case may be. There's a whole bunch of different charts right here at your disposal. So once that is done, I'm going to go to column chart here and select a 2D column chart. If I press on this, it's going to redirect me to an Excel spreadsheet where you can then sort of link the document to an Excel spreadsheet to get the data for your chart. So what I'm going to do here is press on this chart right here, which will then forward me to an Excel spreadsheet. So as you can see now, as you can tell on the left hand side of the screen, I'll make it a little bit larger so you guys can see it a little bit easier. I have my 4 categories. I have category 1, 2, 3, 4, and then series 1, 2, 3. So this is the data that is going to be presented in your chart. So if I were to leave this as it is, as you can tell, a whole bunch of different randomly generated numbers right here that you can alter to your liking. But what that basically does is it takes this data and puts this into your chart that you selected in Microsoft Word. So now that we're back in Microsoft Word, what you can actually do now is sort of change the design and the colors of your chart as well as switch the data. So you can sort of name the chart right here. I'm just going to search up right here, chart. I'll just do this. Chart example. Right, just like that. You can also sort of change the layout right here. So if you want to maybe make the background black, you can make it a little bit larger. You can change the colors right here and do a different color scheme. Whatever the case may be, it is completely up to you. But that's pretty straightforward on how you guys can add a chart into your document here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.